Add a printer to your HP Connected account. On your computer or mobile device, go to hpconnected.com/sign in.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert.
If you already have a printer associated with your account, select Add Printer. Otherwise, the Add Printer screen loads automatically. Enter the claim code from the printer info page that printed when you enabled web services on your printer. If you do not know how to print a new info page, try the guided tour to assist you. With the printer code entered, select Add to start using web-connected printing services.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.